is add fill flash to the mix. With a high shutter speed and a very deep aperture, we should get very, very sharp photos. But because the light is so contrasty, it's a big blue sky here, we need something so that we can see a little bit more of the expressions. The review of the photos I've done so far show me that they're okay, but not spectacular. I want to push it to the next level. So I'm going to get into the skate park and I'm going to get Braden to go around me, and hopefully we can get some shots into the sun. Essentially, we'll still be using a very fast shutter speed and a very deep aperture, but adding some fill flash should just add that little bit of magic. One of the things that I'm doing now is getting right in the middle of the action. The reason for this is because for me, if you can organise it, they make for the most spectacular shots. What we're going to do is Braden is going to skate up there, skate up to the lip, and I'm sitting right directly in front of the sun. I'm using fill flash so that I can illuminate the image in the foreground, and I'm using a high speed shutter speed to freeze the action. The idea is to make it, give it that little bit of extra oomph. As I use that fill flash and the high speed shutter and the very high aperture, everything becomes very crystal clear. We get great context, great contrast, and a really fabulous shot. So now we're going right into the sun, and Braden's going to take off, and I'm going to pan. I'll wait for him to come back, and then I follow the action. Oh, nice one, Braden, beautiful. We want the emphasis of that movement and the strain. Ah, beautiful. For something completely different, because I'm shooting directly into the sun, I want to get some action shots just with the silhouette. Okay, so I'm going to use the rim of the skate park, and Braden's going to jump up in the air, and the sun will be behind him, and I'll get a really strong image. Again, I'm still panning, and it's still a high-speed shutter. Oh, okay, sorry, we'll have to do that again. Sometimes we all miss. Nice. There's two different situations that you can take two completely different shots with, just simply by varying the lighting source. Now what we're going to do is do some distance shots, so that I'll stand at the edge of the field of play and shoot Braden from a distance, which will give us another image entirely.